In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the Smartsheet mobile app if you want to stay connected to your work while you're away from your computer. The Smartsheet mobile app makes that easy. It gives you access to your sheets, reports, dashboards, and workspaces right from your phone or tablet, so you can keep projects moving no matter where you are. To get started, open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or iPad, or open the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Once you're in the store, tap the search bar and type in Smartsheet. Make sure you choose the official Smartsheet mobile app so you know you're downloading the correct one. Next, install the app on your device. Depending on your phone and settings, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open the app. In many cases, you can do this directly from the store page, or you can find the app icon on your home screen or in your app list. When the app opens, log in using your Smartsheet account. Enter your account credentials carefully and follow any sign-in prompts that appear. If your organization uses additional security, such as a verification step, complete that as needed. After you sign in successfully, you'll be taken into the app and can begin accessing your work. From there, open the items you need, including your sheets, reports, dashboards, or workspaces. The mobile app is designed to help you quickly reach important information, so take a moment to get familiar with the layout and navigation. This can make it easier to move between different files and stay organized while working on the go. Once you're inside, you can use the app to view details, make updates, and collaborate with others. For example, you might review project progress, edit rows, check reports, or open dashboards to monitor key information. This is especially useful if you need to respond quickly, make changes while traveling, or keep up with team activity without being at your desk. As a helpful tip, make sure your app stays updated so you have the latest features and performance improvements. A stable internet connection will also help everything load more smoothly. That's how to install and use the Smartsheet mobile app to access and manage your work from your mobile device.